VTCT Skills are really proud to work with MTA. MTA is an academy that has a central hub that brings all of learners from all over the region together for their off-the-job learning, with very experienced trainers and assessors who are supporting learners on their journey.
Hi, I'm Caitlin. I work in Rodsmith hairdressing. I'm completing my level 3 just now. I've been hairdressing for 4 years now, and I come to MTA Academy once a week, every Wednesday. I've got 2 cuts left to do, and then I'm fully qualified. I left school at the end of 5th year, knowing I wanted to do hairdressing. So first of all, I tried to get into college, but I did get a place at college, and then I decided it would be much better to get an apprenticeship and work in a salon environment and earning while learning at the same time. My assessors are really supportive. I've got a really good assessor that always pushes me to do the best I can and doesn't make me feel like I can't ask questions and stuff, so there's never a silly question. At my salon, the support is great. Every time I go back, they're always encouraging me to show them stuff I've did at college and stuff. Like, they don't just care about sending me there, they actually care about how I'm doing and making sure I become the best hairdresser I can be. My proudest moment as an apprentice is when I passed my level 2, so that was me fully qualified as a stylist. My apprenticeships helped shape me as a person, because speaking to people every day in the salon, like members of the public, has really made me realise, like, always be kind to people and just always try your best. For my future, I'm hopefully wanting to stay where I am just now in my salon I'm in. It's a nice busy salon, so hopefully after I've done these cuts I can get onto the floor as a stylist and build up a clientele and go far. I would recommend an apprenticeship because it's basically a no-brainer. Like, you don't need to work alongside studying, you can do them both at the same time and earn while learning.
I am Nicola Mitchell, trainer and assessor here at MTA. I support learners from the very beginning through taking to consultations, learning on the blockheads, starting at the very beginning right through to finishing level 6. So from shampooing to colouring and cutting. It's rewarding because you can see the learners grow, become more confident, understand things a lot better, and it's just rewarding to see them get better and better. So this is their chosen career here. So it's slightly different, so I feel like they want to be here, they want to learn, and they're enthusiastic because they choose this career. The learners come to us 1 day a week to get their qualifications and training. They are full-time in a salon, so most of the week they are in their salon working as a hairdresser and getting training from their employer. So that just adds to their training, and then we're just here to support them, any help they need. And VTCT Skills is very supportive, and if there's anything that we ever need to ask or clarify, then we get good clarification anytime we ask anything. They're here to support. My advice for anyone looking for an apprenticeship would be, if you're looking for an apprenticeship in hairdressing, here's a good place to do it because you get to work while coming here, and it's a great start and you get great support.
The value of an apprenticeship for a salon is about bringing in that next generation, that young, fresh set of eyes that look at the industry from their perspective and really bring new ideas and new trends and new insight, things that they probably learn from working with each other in the academy environment as well. So they come back into the salon fresh, full of new ideas. VTCT Skills know and support apprenticeship programs. We know the benefit that they bring to employers. We know the benefits that they bring to learners, whatever sector you are in. An apprenticeship is an amazing opportunity for anyone to embark on.